One of the quickest and easiest ways to decorate tables or desks is with sublimation coasters. As an alternative or addition to sublimation drinkware, sublimation coasters are a small yet fun decoration for any occasion, or even any business. Available in different styles and typically made with hardboard, these customizable coasters are designed to bring the best out of your transfers. Sublimating these 3 3/4-inch Unisub coasters is essentially like sublimating hardboard photo tiles. Just set your machine to 385 degrees Fahrenheit at 45 to 60 seconds with medium pressure. Depending on the size of your heat press, you can sublimate multiple coasters in one go thanks to their small size. Using 45 seconds as the base, add an additional 15 seconds for each coaster you'll press. Next, trim and tape your sublimation transfers onto each coaster. In between 2 sheets of parchment paper, place the coasters on the lower platen with the paper side facing up. And then press. When your machine hits time, open it and wait a few moments for cooling. Then peel the transfers off the coasters and you're all done. Thanks to the glossy white layer of these sublimation coasters, they'll look just as colorful and eye-catching as similar hardboard tiles. And with their small sizes, it's easy to sublimate multiples in one press to decorate any table in no time. If you'd like to check out these sublimation coasters and many other blanks, visit us at heatpressnation.com.